baby or something. Ah, it's so cute. Why is it screeching like that? How cute. Hedwig. Welcome to a day in my life in July. My favorite month of the year. Not biased because it's my birthday month. Oh yeah. Ready? Yo. Yeah. This is sick.
내가 너의 그늘이 돼줄게. 언제나 편하게 기대도 돼. 네가 원한다면 yeah. 내가 너의 곁에.
To the infectious music, it was all for the world. Thank you so much. So, are you guys ready? Alright, animation people love it. And I need to know, Maggie, this project took you 7 years. I really have to give credit to Maggie and Chris for just giving us all the direction. They gave T. I felt Twice, I felt TXT, I felt AT, Stray Kids. Like, I felt a variety of BTS, yeah. I felt a variety of these K-pop stars into these characters. Can you tell me where the inspiration came from these characters?
It was some of Chris's picks and my picks, and you know, I think we all kind of had our, like, you know, for example, Jinu is like the K-drama lead, and we all have like our favorites. And I think at one point we told our art department, we had this Miro board, which is like a digital like bulletin board that you can create and people could put images and anything on it. And we were like, hey guys, art department, like add in and story, add in your favorites. And once we said that, it was like everybody was on these Miro boards. So I think it was kind of like everyone. For Gino, it was a lot of K-drama leads, and we just wanted him to be very classic looking, so with him we stuck to the dark hair, wanted to make him look as Korean as possible. And then for other boys, you know, there's Stray Kids in there, there's ATs. I have no idea who Mystery is based on because he's got no face. But I think that was more like a kind of an anime, you know, trope, or I don't know. We were like, why doesn't he have a face? And they're like, trust us.
It's nice too because the story has conceptual stuff that you can use to motivate costumes. And so you got demon patterns for the boys' costumes. You have all the different motifs the girls go through of the golden song, which is kind of their MacGuffin. It's kind of their thing they're chasing.
Hi guys! We just came back from the Netflix event. It was so awesome. We watched K-pop Demon Hunters. It was just so beautiful. I was in the middle of telling my mom. The animation was so beautiful. There was so much Korean culture and history, but like not in a cringe way, you know what I'm saying? Everything was just so meticulous and so beautiful. And I actually felt so represented and so seen. It was so incredible, and I just feel like they really nailed the Korean culture. There was a point in the Q&A session when the director was talking. Are you listening to me?
I am.
When the director was talking about how they studied Korean faces because she's Korean. And that's exactly what, when I was watching it, I was thinking that. Because whenever people animate Asian people, they just make it like the eyes like so tiny, slanted.
Yeah.
They didn't do that. They just literally captured like Korean and Asian essence so perfectly. But I knew right away, oh, they look so Korean. Everyone looks so Korean, but not in like a really like racist way, you know what I'm saying? It was so talented and like creative, and the storyline was so original. I'm like, again, I've never seen a concept like that, and it was so nice to see. It was so, I actually felt so represented. I cannot wait for little girls and people who look like me to watch it too and feel empowered, because I actually did not expect to like it this much. It was so good.
So when is this K-pop Demon Hunters coming out?
I think it comes out this Friday. So when I edit this, it'll probably be out. I can't wait for you guys to watch it. I feel so happy to be invited there. Yeah, on
The best
Netflix.
part of the film, I think, was the fact that one, we were represented very well.
Yeah, I felt so
Two,
seen.
It wasn't a princess story. It was literally women warriors, and I felt so happy watching
Yeah.
powerful women being able to solve such a big like
이거
a
타임스퀘어에도
major
나왔어
event.
얘네들.
Yeah, it was so good. I'm actually so shocked, and I really was so glad to be a part of that, or part of the event. And
Being the
I love
first
it.
one.
Yeah, I felt so honored to get invited. So I can't wait for you guys to watch because it's really good. Animation was so beautiful. I can't even imagine how long that took to create and design and make, and the music was fantastic too. I think it's gonna blow up.
It was fantastic.
I think the K-pop fans, people in general, not just Korean people, but like everyone can relate to it.
Asian representation.
So I think it's gonna blow up. Good job, guys. This is the ultimate self-care day. Sushi in bed and a face mask. I'm so tired.
We're exhausted.
Cheers. Cheers. Lately, everyone around me has been getting a kitten, and it's making me want a cat so bad, but this is Mitzi. This is Nugget's new sister. If you watch my videos, you guys know Nugget. I dog sit Nugget sometimes, and my friend got a new cat, and I just feel like everyone around me has been getting a cat, and I want one so bad, but, you know, it's not the right time, not the right place, so enjoy the cat content.
Free.
Hey guys, we are almost at the end of the video, and I just wanted to just jump in here and chit chat with you guys a little bit before the video ends. July has been very slow paced, very easy for me. I feel like June was just filled with so much stuff that I low-key got lost in the sauce. I am really excited because there are definitely big things coming in the future, and I cannot wait to tell you guys. I'm just processing it all right now. I'm just trying to keep it easy while I have the chance to take things slow. So until my time comes, and you guys are definitely going to be the first ones to hear about it. So yes, I can't wait. Lately, I've been just trying to hang out with my friends and family as much as possible. Soak up the outside sun, enjoy the nature. It has been quite hot here. It's just incredibly weird and scary to think about how fast time is going, especially because my birthday is right around the corner. And I just feel like I'm still so young, and I feel like mentally I'm still stuck in my pre-COVID era. I feel like COVID really just aged us. Like, I just lost 3 years of my life just like this. So mentally I just feel like I'm still really young, but now I'm almost, I don't even want to say how old I am. I'm just not even ready, and I haven't accepted it yet. But yeah, life is just going by way too fast, and I'm honestly not ready for it. There's just so much to process during all of this, but I really hope you guys are doing well, and I hope you guys are enjoying my long vlogs. I am really appreciating all the love and support I've been getting on my videos. It takes a lot of time and effort for me to do it, but it's just so fun, and I feel like every time I'm editing a video, I'm learning so much about myself and the program and how to, you know, film and capture and edit, and it's been really, really fun. So I'm really happy I've actually discovered something that's keeping me stimulated in the social media world, because I feel like I have been kind of burnt out from all the social media, but YouTube has been just so much fun for me. I feel like I'm just learning so much, and there's just such a big, diverse aspect to filming and video editing and creating. So that's like totally different than short form videos, you know what I'm saying? So I'm having a lot of fun, and I really hope you guys are enjoying the video, because, you know, obviously when I spend a lot of time on it, I really appreciate all the love and support. I think it's so cute when you guys make like fan edits of me. I think that's just like, that's how you know you made it in life, when I keep seeing fan edits. So keep that up. I want to see more fan edits. Because that makes my day. Let's go head out and soak up some sun. But that is all I have for this July journal. I'm really excited to even think of that concept, July journal. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!